Alrighty, these two are painted completely. I'm just painting them for now to make them look nicer, but I will probably get new parts eventually. But for now, that'll work. Other than that, I painted this part and that part down there. And I also painted the tops of the struts. Painted both of those, painted those, and I'm putting these lowering springs in. The only problem I'm gonna have is these are set to the other springs, and the only bad thing about that, a lot shorter, my wheels might rub when I put my diff in and my axles and everything like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a little measuring device and measure between these threads and make sure that they're the same. If they're not, then I'm gonna up them for now. But if they are, then I'm just gonna leave them there until I get the axle and the diff in, and then I'll change it. There it is. This is my measuring device, top to the bottom. It's 8 on that side, so what's this side? Yeah, they're about the same. That might be a little taller. Yeah, it's a hair taller, but that'll be fine. Put back on my gloves and start setting this part back in. Yeah, there we go, there's one on. I also need a napkin to wipe that off. God almighty, it's filthy. Look at all that. Take the other one out here too, wipe it down. So I got these two. I only really need one at the moment. Those are the 2 old bolts. These are the 2 new ones. Got the 2 strut things, and then my little nut for the sway bar. But I'm not gonna put the sway bar back in just yet. I need to actually take that out before anything. I forgot about that. I'm gonna upgrade the sway bar in the back. So I don't think it's gonna be too hard. I think it's only a couple bolts holding it in. So I'll knock that out real quick. Put it in, there. Got this. I think they're gonna be, I'm gonna assume 17s or 14s. Okay, here's the bolts right here. This is the 14, bingo. Dadgum, that's loud. Pressure on so I can get these out. Here comes the sway bar. I'm just gonna screw these bolts in with a hand. Pretty much what a sway bar does, evenly distributes body roll. So like when you're turning around a corner, you feel your car doing like this on one side or this on one side, it pretty much eliminates the body roll of your vehicle, aka staying on the ground better and feeling a lot better on handling. On a daily car, you're fine with a little bit of body roll. Aftermarket car, you usually don't want any body roll, especially if you're turning around corners. I just eliminated the body roll I was having every time I would turn. But now I'm gonna be feeling a lot better around corners once I replace that. For now, I'm gonna put the bottom arm in, and then I'll figure out if I want to get the new sway bar yet or wait, because my bank account is looking a little dry for all the sizes. I know one's a 14. Where did I set the, I already set it back in? No, what the fuck did I do with it? Am I blind? Dude, I need to make a compilation of me losing my shit. Okay, it's still on there. I could have swore I took it out. Ugh. Oh, fuck, that hurt. Hit my damn elbow on the fucking tow bar. Ah. Oh. Ah. Ow. Hey, you motherfucker. 22. 22, what's this side? 22 as well. 21, 22. There we go. Okay, got all my tools right here. I don't think anything's a 17. That back for now. Wait, crap. I don't know why I grabbed 2 of them. I only need 1. Got everything right here. So we got this bolt that goes to the strut, which I will grab in a minute, but I'm going to go ahead and set this where I need to set it. I'm not really positive which way it went, but I do know which way I'm going to set it. Threads do not like me on this thing. Oh, that's why they almost crushed. Oh well. Just come on, go in there. It needs some persuasion. Well, I want it. Does it not like to go through or something? I gotta make sure it's lined up. Okay, it's in there right. Now I need to make sure it sets in the right other way. Just go like that. That's on. I probably needed the 17. I forget a lot. The 19, motherfucker. Let's throw this bad boy on there. Stuck in place somewhat. We gotta put the spring back on and the strut. I'll do the spring first. Let's see if I can reuse this. Probably can, yeah. I can. Alright. This thing's kind of beat the hell up. we go, stop that. There you go, it sat in there just great. There we go. It sat in there phenomenal. I think that's good. We'll grab the strut. What was I gonna get? Oh yeah. It's good for me. Make sure it's all tight. Ooh, I almost fell back. Trying to find an excuse to use this ratchet. That's a lot looser than the other sides. There we go. Let's try to position this. All right, I have to grab that, put it underneath there, put some pressure on the spring so I can get that damn strut in. Once I do that, should be fine. Let's grab this. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is where it helps to have two people. Gotta make do what you can't have. Is the spring looking good? All right, that side's on. There we go. That's in. That ain't going nowhere. Good boy. Okay, this side's back together. Looks pretty good in my opinion. Now I just need to tighten up the back. I think that's good and tight. I know there's probably torque specs for all this shit, but it's my car. If it was engine work or transmission, I would be like, oh yeah, fuck yeah, I'm doing that. Looks pretty good if you ask me. Looks pretty fucking good. Halftime, I'm gonna go eat, and then do the rest of this when I get back.
2 hours later.
Alrighty, I'm back from lunch. So now let's get back on this, finish the other side. Shouldn't be too hard. It's just gonna take some time. There we go, that's all lit up and nice and pretty. There you go. Let's grab all the bolts I need. I got this one, and then all these off to the side because I gotta get a new sway bar. I really need one, but I know I want one. Put it right here, grab all this shit and put it right there. Pick up every single tool I have. Doink, doink, doink. Doink, 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 doink. Ah, dang, I dropped one. Dadgummit. Dadgummit, darn. I got all that over here. Bada bing, bada boom. Got most everything at least. This ain't no big deal. You know what I'm doing. I got clean. Wait, where did that bottom piece go? Oh. Doink. Grab that. Wash this one off too. This boy in. Got that right here. Put it on like so. There we go. Right that off. Identical to the other side. It's right in there. Find the hole. Bingo. And that's in it. Okay, this needs to go which way? Go. Where did the thing go? Alright, hold on. I'm missing something. That's here. There it is. Sit. Okay, let's grab this. Put this in like so. Yoink. That fell off. Get all that on. Now, oh fuck. Should have measured. Okay, let me grab my measuring device. Get 1.5. Go down a little bit more. And like so. That boy in there. Now we grab this, stick it up like so. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I ain't going nowhere. Now let's tighten this to make sure. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Only thing I gotta do now is the back end. Okay, now release pressure off of it and we're done. Yep, we're good. Well, that's the end of the video. Sorry for not talking as much as the other video. I was just a little bit sick and it was hard to breathe. I'm very thankful and grateful for the support you shown me in the last video. It really does mean a lot. I'm going to be posting videos every 3 days, so just be aware. But Jesus loves you. Y'all be safe.